This conference will now be recorded.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Okay, let's will we start? Okay,
Okay, sir.
because Shashank is busy, some other reason. Yeah, we'll finish today. Only the few topics, and then final we'll go for the project presentation.
Sir, so this would be the last class.
This is for last class. This is a last class. Almost we have completed all the topics, and the next session should be the Sunday. And just you can go through that. If anything is missing, you can ping me. I will be discuss
Okay.
once again. That's correct. If anything you feel miss, any topics, any content, we'll repeat again. No problem. And Sunday we can be scheduled for the projects. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and that I will update. First, I will discuss to everyone, and maximum 100% Sundays on this. It's clear?
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. So now uh, we are coming back this topics. Okay, it will not take so much time. So first, we have to know what is n-grams. So n-gram also is a part of NLP only. Okay, so n-gram also is a part of NLP only. So n-gram means what? The sequence of n word that appear together in the text. Clear? The sequence of n word that appear together in the text. For example, when I say n equal to 1, we can be say this is unigrams. Okay, like the single words. Okay, the single word, anything I can be say Amazons. So when I say like we have a big gram, so big gram is nothing but that is n equal to 2. Okay, so n equal to 2, we can be say this is big grams. So we can be say like two words. Okay, like anything, we can be say two word like Amazon deliveries. Okay, and we have trigrams. Okay, that is n equal to 3. We can be say this is trigram. We can be say the three words. Three words. Yeah. So I can be say like Netflix, great, active. So like that. Is correct. So now, what is the purpose? Okay, like what purpose we are talking about n-gram and when company has to be used. Is correct. So what is the purpose of n-gram which help in predicting the next word in a sentence? Okay, so normally we want to predict the next word in a sentence. We are using this n-grams. If I want to be capture the word order and context, not just an individual word, we need n-gram concept. So n-gram it's very useful for the search engine, our autocomplete and text prediction purpose. Is correct. So when company use, I think I will make few companies like Google. So Google has to use this n-gram. Okay, that is a part of NLP. How to be improve the product search by matching the fairest like fast deliveries. Okay, Google is using. So I'm talking about the Netflix also using ngram. How to improve the recommendation by analyzing the review like great tactics. Is correct. So I'm using the chatbots. Chatbots using ngram techniques how to predict the user's intent by looking a word sequence. Is correct. The very small topics, and now we'll see how it will be worked ngram concepts. Is correct. Now what I'm doing here, I just I'll increase the size. Yeah. Now what I'm doing here, I just take the review because there is a no library officially we can be used here. I'm just taking manually review equal. I'm just writing in the list any things we can be right. So I'm just writing Amazon delivery slow. Amazon delivery slow. Good packing. Okay. So good packing, and we can be right Netflix. Same example I'm taking. Netflix is a great acting. That's correct. So just I have taken one small review in the short sentence. It's clear. Now what I want to do, I want to define some topic of with keyword. So that the each topic has the word that usually appear in that themes. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taken here as a topics. I'll take one dictionary. This is the dictionary. So I'm just writing here deliveries. What I have written. This is the key and this is the value which we have to write inside the list on this Amazon, and I'm just writing here deliveries. I'll put one comma and I'm just writing here quality, and we'll take the dictionaries. This is the key and this is the values. I'm just writing here packets. Again, I will take one more key as a entertainment. Entertainments. And we can take one dictionaries. We'll write Netflix, and we can be write this is actings. It's fine. Now what I did here, I just taken one sample review in the short sentence, and I already defined the topic with the keywords. Each topic has the word usually appear on the themes. That's correct. So this is step number one. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to go through each review. So I'm using one for R in reviews. Okay, so R in reviews. So now what I want to do, I want to be check each topics. So that the reason, let's take one more nested for loop for T comma words in topics dot theme. So sorry, topic dot items. That is a part of what we have to say in the dictionaries. It's clear. We want to check each topics. So that is only I have written here. We want to check the each topic, and you have to be assigned to this variables. It's clear. So now what I'm doing in the next steps. So what I'm doing the next steps here. I'll be close. The next step we want to be if any key word is found in the review, you can assign that topics. So I have to use one if condition inside if any is the keywords, and I'm using the same variable w in r dot lawyers. Lawyer is the functions. Okay, and you have to be travel here for w in words. What we have written, yes, the themes is correct. So just we want to know if any keyword is found in the review that we want to assign that topics. So that the reason I had to write the print because we want to show which topic the review is belong to this. So I'm just written here r comma, and I'm just writing here the T option. It's a very basic programs. Okay, the real time I can't show you how it will be works. So I'm just making ourselves only how to write the small program to the n-gram NLP concepts. Okay, one second. Yeah, let's will run and we'll see that. No, maybe somewhere spelling mistakes I did. Yeah. Okay, so we got it. Yes, correct. So Amazon delivery should be slow deliveries. Netflix great acting, that is entertainments. Okay, just we want to be checked. The theme has to be matches. So I'm written a very basic program because based on that I can't write the program because we don't have that option here. Clear? And I'll forward you this program and later we'll see how it will be works.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So there's one things and next we have one more concept here. I think TF and IDF. That's correct. So let's I will take this part. Okay, all basic topic, very small topics, everything's, and there is a no link this and that topics. So we are talking about TF and IDF. TF is nothing but that is term frequencies. Inverse, I'm just writing here, inverse document frequencies. Clear? So term frequency and inverse document frequencies. So what exactly this? What is the TF IDF is what? It find the word that are important in one document, but not in the common everywhere. That's correct. So that is only we are talking about TF and IDF. Find the word that are important in one document, but not in the common everywhere. Correct. So that is the we are talking about the definition here. Now, what is the purpose? Okay, and where we are using. So purpose when you talk about here, normally we can be used to highlight the unique word when company use. Like when I say news sites, we want to recommend the article based on the important keywords. Amazon, they are following how to improve the product search rankings. Is correct. So that is only I'm talking about this part. Is correct. So fine, and we'll see how it will be worked now. Is correct. So this is a very common explanation I'm given here. So now we will see very small concepts, and now we will see how it will be works properly. Okay. So now we'll try to see that like how it's working properly. Is correct. Fine. So now uh, we will see how it's working here. The very common examples, and I will take two example here how it's working, and then we can be get to know. Yes. Yeah. The first example. Okay. Let's. I'll take only one example here. How to make the pair is clear. So how it will be work? The term frequencies. Okay. It's just I will take one sample sentence. I'm taken here. I'm just writing here Amazon's Amazon delivery was slows. Correct. Now once I done, I want to split the words. The words equal to sentence dot lawyers, and I have to be split. So it can be split. Amazon delivery was slow. If it is capital letters, it will be convert to the lowercase. It will be split in this formats, like which we know very well. Amazon, like this format on this. Okay, it will be split like delivery, and it will be split like was. Okay, and it will be split like slow on this. So like in this formats. Now we want to be create one big grams. Okay, that is only I'm talking about here. TF IDF. We want to be create one big gram because we want to make the pair of the words. That is only we are talking about here. That is TF IDF. So we want to create one big gram. Big gram is nothing but we want to create the pair of the words. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I will create one variable as a big grams. So what I'm writing here inside, I'll explain. I'm just writing here words, what I have given, I value. I value, I will explain what is the I value here. So again, I'm written here words, I plus 1. Okay, so fine. Now I will use one for loop for I in range of length. We are writing here words, we have to be close minus ones. So what is the meaning of this line? Now the for loop, it start from 0 less than, because we have the size is 4, the 4 minus 1, that should be 3. So 0 less than condition should be true. Now I value should be zeros. Okay, because Amazon should be followed by delivery, delivery should be followed by was should be followed by slow only. So this is only we want to do that. Now I value should be 0. Now zero's index position we have Amazon, and 0 plus 1 the first index position we have Amazon deliveries. So we will get the output in this format. So I'm just writing here. So Amazon deliveries. That is this is only we're talking about big graphs. That's correct. So again, I value should be increment by 1. Now first index position we have delivery. So 1 plus 1 that should be 2. So delivery was. So it will be print like this. So delivery was. Okay. So again, I value should be increment by 2. Now 2 is less than 3. Condition should be true. Now the second index position we have was, and 2 plus 1 that should be 3. So we will get was slow. So like that. So I'm just writing here was slow. This is we are talking about big graphs. So when you increase 3, the condition should be false. So we are coming out of this loop, and we have to be print the big graphs. Okay, we want to print the big grams. So I'm just writing here, this is big grams on this. Okay, let's I'll execute the program, and we got the proper output here, which we are expecting here. We got the output also. Okay, this is the output of this programs, which we got it properly. Yes. So big Amazon should be followed by delivery, delivery should be followed by was, and was should be followed by slow only. So okay, this is one small programs, and we did without library, very common program. It's a no library we have given here. Okay, this is one concept. Is correct. So next, very basic topic. Okay, but this diffusion model, stable diffusion, text image, we can't do real time. Okay, I will tell you this also. So let's shall we take another is frequencies. It's fine. So I'm taken here the frequency parts. Is correct. So frequency density features. Is correct. So what is a frequency density feature means what? How to count? I'm just talking about count how many times each words are appear in a text. This is also part of NLP. So what exactly meaning of this frequency density feature means what? We want to count how many times the each words are appear in a text. That is the main concept, the frequency and density features. So, what is the purpose when you talk about here? It show which words are most common. The purpose is word. It will be check which words are most common. That is the main purpose we are talking about. So many companies using this. Twitter is using because Twitter's they want to detect the trending hashtags. So Twitter is using, bank is using, not everyone, bank is using the spot frequent complaint word like fraud. The bank is using, correct. So now very common concept here, so we will see how to do this practical also. So very common practicals we want to do it. Okay, so let's will come back this practical how it will be works. Okay, now what I'm doing here, uh, I will take same thing. Okay, we want to be count each word repeated how many times. So I'm just taken as a sentence. AI, okay, is fun, and AI is powerful. Is correct. So this is the sentence which I have taken here. I will take one words equal sentence dot lowercase. First, I want to be split and I want to be convert to the lowercase. Okay, because because just we want to convert the sentence to the lowercase and we want to be split the words. Okay, this all we want to be split the words. Now I have written one variable to count the frequencies. Okay, so real time I can't do it. I just taken one dictionary, empty dictionary, so that I want to be count the. This is just we want to create one empty dictionary to store the word count. That is the main purpose I have written. I will use one for loop for W in words. So now we want to be travel each words. Clear? Now we want to travel the each words. Now what I'm using here, I'm just writing here uh, the same thing, the same variable, empty dictionary, the frequency of W's because we want to be travels. And I'm just writing here frequency dot get is the methods and W comma, I'm just writing 0 plus 1. Correct? The logic is very simple logic. If the word is already in the dictionary, you can increase the count by 1. That is only written here plus 1. If not, add with count is equal to 1. That is only written here. You have to be travel each word. Okay, and you have to be get. And if the word are already in the dictionary, you can increase the count by 1. If it is not, add with count should be 1 only. Okay, so like that. So like that, you have to travel each word one by one, and we have to be print it out. I'm just print the word frequencies. Okay, I'm just printing the word frequency here, and I'm just writing frequencies. So we want to be show how many time each words are appear in a sentence. When I say AI twice is two times, so that we want to be displayed. See that. This is the key, this is the value, key and value, what we have mentioned here is correct. So there's a no library here. Just I've taken myself as a very common examples, and will try to be forward this. Is correct. And this is practically I can't show you, but I will just taken as a manually here. Is correct. So we are talking about here diffusion models. Is correct. So practically it will not work out. So when you talk about this diffusion model, okay, diffusion model means what? It's a type of generative AI model that will create new data, like such as your image, by starting with random noise, and gradually it will be refining into the meaningful output. And this will be learn the process of training in the large data sets where they learn how to be remove the noise. So it will be go step by step until the original data structures of emerge. Okay, what I'm saying this definition, if I take one example, the diffusion model is what? It's a AI system that start with random noise, like how our TV statics, and slowly it clean up step by step until become the clear pictures, sounds or data. That is diffusion models. Is correct. So when you talk about what is the purpose of diffusion model, we want to make a better quality, where the result should look sharp, detailed, and elastics. We want to clean step by step so that slowly we can move the noise until the clear result should not be apparent. We want to make a new things. They can be create some pictures and sounds and videos starting from random noise. They have to follow some instruction. You can be guide them with the text prompt like draw or like a cat wearing the glass. So we can be do that is a we are talking about the diffusion models, correct? So many companies, I'm talking about Google not using, I think OpenAI. We are talking about this is nothing but OpenAI. So OpenAI, they are using how text to image generations. Okay, we can't do it practically here. So we want to make how to be text to the image generation. Now user wants to try and type in the prompt like we have in OpenAI, prompt like when I say robot reading a book. I'm just mentioning here robot is reading a book, but diffusion model create one new image in same place. Okay, that is only the diffusion model, and practical I can't show you here because manually it will not look good. So I'm given this is the case study. You see that now diffusion model. I'm just making one science diagram with diffusion model. Now students wants to clear diagram for the cells, plants and circuit for the homework for the projects. They want to draw them neat and by hand and difficult time consuming. Now diffusion model means what? It start random dot. AI will be clean the script step by steps, and slowly the science diagram will be appeared. Okay, because we don't have this. Okay, you can be try with OpenAI. It will be work this solutions. Okay, this is only they given because the library here we can't use what they are using in companies. So just I'm giving the basic idea for this. Okay, this also is a part of same things. So when you talk about stable diffusions, so stable diffusion is what? This is the open source generative arts. Okay, stable diffusion means what? It's a open source generative arts. It's fine. Now designers, artists, and they want to use to make some creative illustration like posters, concept in the art in the real time. They have to use stable diffusions. Is correct. So you can say anything like Adobe. Adobe we are using like Firefly. So I want to be create one tool for the professionals. Now what I want to do, I want to integrate with Photoshop's Illustrator for this task, like in painting, like background should be replacement, style transfer. So I'm just giving Adobe is using. It's correct. Google is using for image generation. They want to research the great text of the image models, like your product photorealistic image from text prompt. They have to be used in experiment and AI research labs. Okay, they are using stable diffusions. It's correct. So when you talk about healthcare company, they are using this stable diffusion to generate the synthetic MRI or CT scan for training the doctors. They want to be protect the patient privacy while still provide the realistic practical data. So this is the stable diffusion because practical I told you we can't show you. I just taken one case study here. Now, what is the case study here? The college wants a colorful poster in annual sports day. Normally, teachers had to spend hour of designing it. The solution is what? You can be use stable diffusion to type kids are playing football in the cartoon style, bright color. Then AI made the poster image roll stable diffusions. It helped to draw the picture from the words. The poster was ready in a minute. You can make the poster fun and colorful for the kids. And finally, result is what school or college to get the nice poster quickly students to like love it. Is correct. So practically it will not work out because just we want to type open AI and we will get the image. That is the only the option. But the code we can't write. Okay, this is one thing. They given the topic that the reason we are doing for this. Is correct. Uh, Fine. Next, so many examples are there. There's also same thing. Text to the image generation. You can be type in WhatsApp, OpenAI. You will get this text image generation. If you type ChatGPT also, you will be get. Now, what I want to be conclude here, the text to image generation meaning is what we want to be turning written the word in the text prompt like picture using AI. For example, if you type like kids are playing football in a cartoon style, the AI will be draw that image for you. That is only text to the image generations. So main purpose for the creativity purpose because it help artists, teachers, and business to make visual quickly for speed, save the time to compare to the manual designs. Nowadays, I think nobody is doing Corel or Photoshop because everybody using AI. It's fine. Some accessibilities. Anyone can be create image without need drawing the skill. Anyone can be do it. It can be say the innovations is correct used for industry like game, ad, healthcare, education purpose. Is correct. Now, what do you want to do here? Just I want to be if you have any image. Now, what do you want to do? We can upload your sketch of anything. You can upload your sketch of shoes, and AI will be turned into the polish of the product of photos. That is only we're talking about text to the image. Is correct. So this is only I'm given the example here, okay? Because you can take any case studies when you talk about per years. Is correct. Adobe Photoshop. Now designer wants to upload the plain shoe photo, but they want to look red with glowing backgrounds. The solution is what? We can be use this AI. AI should be edit the existing photo step by step until the final design should not be matched with your descriptions. Is correct? So this is the things I think you clear Impuna because practical Ankita joined late. So this is only the practical parts. I can't show the practical part here itself on this. Correct? Fine for here and Impuna and Ankita, I completed your syllabus. You can go through that. If any topics you feel we missed this topic, ping me. I will teach the topics, anything okay, like projects related or any topic we miss, you can ping. I'll be discuss one more classes, but almost everything I done is correct. And second things, your project should be complete. Okay, maybe I'm given the time: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Will connect maybe 6:30 or 7 o'clock. So I will check with other people. If everyone is fine, 7 o'clock, we'll connect 7 o'clock, and we'll try to be wind up the project sessions. Correct? Fine. Imran, Ankita, we'll see Sunday. Timing will update. Same timing, but project should be ready. Fine. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, like regarding the presentation, like how many slides we should like prepare, like
Uh,
maximum?
Slides should be less. Maximum 10 to 11 slides. Maximum 10 to 11, 12. And
Okay.
slides is that much.
Okay, sir. And like
Yes.
sir, like do we need to like demo the entire thing, or like do we need to record the demo and like present it?
Uh, mm,
Oh,
Demo.
yeah.
Just for 10-20 minutes we can be spent. Not require so much.
Okay, sir.
Okay? A PPT, based on the PPT, your demonstration. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Just 10-20 minutes. Fine. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sir.
Fine, fine, Anton. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
yes. No problem. Welcome. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yeah. Yes, yes.